here. We're getting ready to go to the dump. Make a dump run. Now, the old Ford has a hard time starting, and just when you think it's not going to start, it'll start. Hopefully. Well, maybe I lied. It doesn't. Oh.
Put gas in?
Should have gas. What the?
First time, long time.
That's not good.
You know, it's leaking gas somewhere.
Can I buy that other truck?
What other truck?
Sam's truck?
What's Sam's truck?
The one you said no.
Oh, the one I said no? No.
No. All right. We were going to do the dump run, but we've determined the old Ford is out of gas. So we got to go get some gas. Oh. And breakfast, but we were going to do a dump run. All right, we're ready to go into town. Teresa said she's going to get the gate. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It's already 98 degrees. And they are calling for rain this afternoon. Actually, they're calling for monsoonal rains for the rest of the week. So we're all kind of excited about that. A lot of people made the comment that everything around here is brown. There's no dirt. There's a field out there, and yeah, it's usually not this this brown like this. But hopefully we get some rain. Maybe the field will pop back up. We get brush, grass, a little bit of prairie grass in there, but it's been super dry this year. Teresa says she's going to get the gate. Be lazy, we'll leave the gate open. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
You did a good job.
Yeah.
Alright, now to breakfast. Alright, we're in downtown Benson. We're gonna go to the Horseshoe Cafe. This is kind of our little go-to spot for breakfast. 8 o'clock. Train tracks, so there's your train for today over there. But that's kind of the main drag through Benson right there. Pan around slowly. They got it pretty neat. So Horseshoe been here for a while. I don't know the exact details, but it has been here for a while. And if you look on a map, I-10 kind of goes around Benson. Before they built I-10, this was the main drag through town here. So I was waiting. That's the old train stop right down there. It's now a welcome center. But all right, we're gonna get some breakfast. All right, we just got done eating. I'll show you a quick tour of the inside here. If you look up on the ceiling up there, there's a big horseshoe, neon lights. I'm pretty sure that thing's been there for a while. Go ahead. Teresa said, so this bar here used to go all the way around, and there's actually another little bar around the back there. That's the front. What's a good little cafe? Good food. All right, good morning. It's Wednesday morning, and we're feeding the horse. So we use the grain, put a little bit of water in there, soften the pellets up. She's an old horse. She's 28. I think I've talked about that before. And then she has some allergy medicine because she breaks out in hives. And this is just regular over-the-counter allergy medicine that the vet prescribed. Let me take this out to her. All right, she's got food. Yesterday, I didn't put the latch down and I didn't put the chain on, and she got out while we were in town, and she walked all over the place. Now, she wouldn't go anywhere because she knows where she gets fed, but I did get in trouble with Teresa. Yeah, I got in trouble with Teresa because I didn't lock the gate, secure the gate. We did get the Ford started yesterday, took the dump. It was out of gas. The fuel gauge doesn't work in this truck. And I thought I had enough gas in there, but didn't. So I put 5 gallons in, made it down to the gas station, filled it up. We've been looking for a little upright dresser for our closet. The thrift store had this one down there for $20. So I bought it. I actually washed it, used the hose, cleaned it out. It's a real wood dresser though. See the dovetail? It's not pressed wood. It's only 20 bucks. It's good enough to put in the closet. List of things to do today. We're taking the 03 Peterbilt down and getting the transmission put in it. We got to buy some hay. What else is on the list of things to do today? Today's Wednesday. I worked on this a couple days ago to get it started. It's losing its prime. See the, remember I said the horse got out? If you look, you can see the horse prints. She was all up under the porch and everything. Oh, I got in a lot of trouble for that. Let's see if this thing will start. All right, start it up. Build up some air pressure. We'll let it run for a little while. A lot of people ask about this truck. I think I'm going to go ahead and get it road ready again. It does have an injector issue or an ejector pump issue. We'll put some tires and some wheels on there. But I think that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to get it road ready. Figure out what I'm going to do with it after that. But it's not top priority right now. Morning, Teresa. Are you going to go close the doors? I locked the gate this time. All right, let's see if we can get this one started. All right, here's my truck that pays the bills. My Dorsey trailer pays the bills too. Today's video is sponsored by Dorsey Trailer. Check them out. So we're going to get a remanufactured transmission. We're going to get a new clutch and all the stuff that's associated with the clutch. The clutch in there, it's got about almost 500,000 miles on it. Maybe not quite. Transmission, it's got almost 1.4 million miles on it. So time to get a new transmission. And there's the crew right there. All right, let's see if we can get this thing started. Alright, the old Peterbilt fired right up. Thing looks good. Give me a look around. Logbook. Alright, so we're going to take this down to the shop. Let Sam work on it. Should take 2, maybe 3 days to fix. And then be 4th of July then. All right, we dropped the big truck off. We picked up hay. We had breakfast. Well, we dropped the big truck off, got breakfast, and then got hay. And now we're gonna put hay in our little hay barn. So this right here, we only have 1 horse. So that's 10 bales, plus we got 2 in the barn, 12 bales. That'll last a good, about 3 months worth of hay. So that's not too bad. All right, so we got all the hay put away. There's Jazzy, she's ready for some food, a snack. You can go ahead and shut it. And then we'll take this out and throw it out in the field, let her snack on it. She thinks she's gonna get something. What do you want to do next, Teresa? You want to do that pen? We got to straighten up one of the panels she bent up. So we'll do that, and we gotta get this thing inside too, the little dresser. So, off to the next chore. I know it kind of sounds weird to get excited about rain, but here in southern Arizona, this is the beginning of the monsoon rains. And you could hear the rain coming down. Well, but you can see the sky over there. But the rains are over here. They pan around. I know it's probably a little noisy out here, but I know we get excited. We were sitting watching TV after eating dinner, and we like the rain. You guys on the East Coast, you guys get too much rain, but we don't get enough. That's for sure. All right, good morning. It's Thursday. Today's vet day. We're gonna take all the end dogs down to the vet. Come here, come here. Come on. So we already got Bailey and Bandit in there. So Bailey's got a little puppy checkup. Bandit, and then everybody else is getting their nails done. Bailey's gonna get her nails done. You want to hold this while I put her in here? Very good. Alright, everybody's loaded up. You ready, Teresa? Alright. So, going to Tucson. Good morning. It's Friday morning. Bailey just woke up. She's eating her breakfast. We got some more rain last night. Look at that sunrise over there. That's pretty. The sky. I think we're gonna get some more rain today too. It's a good thing. Got the truck back yesterday. So we got a remanufactured clutch in there. I mean, excuse me, a remanufactured transmission and a new clutch and all the components to go with it. Morning, Miss Bailey. Yes, good morning. Let's go over here real quick. I just wanted to show you guys that sunrise. Pretty. I love waking up early in the morning, seeing the sunrise. Testing. Teresa's got her 4th of July outfit on.
Hi guys.
Marshall, the Apache nitrogen products. Apache is an integral part of the provides scholarship funds for local students. Benson provides support for the St. Peter Heritage Culture Society. The Cochise County Senior Meals, Benson Rotary School in the Spring Golf Fundraiser, Benson Little League Scoreboard,
Continue believing you got this.
Here we go. Big material for the adults. And there's a bus chemistry. We'll take for you.
Oh, wow!
Oh my goodness!
Wow.
Oh! All right, Teresa.
Hi.
Get the happy 4th of July, everybody.
Happy birthday.
That's a dog.